Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Ankush here from Alif Consulting. Welcome in our Azure Arc case study. In this case study, we will be going to talk about how customers have used Azure Arc to deliver the smarter banking solution to the customer while having the greater visibility and the agility. Right? So here is the agenda of this video. So we're going to understand about the customer, how customer have built the agility in the hybrid and multi-cloud solution, how they have used the GitOps into their environment, how they are having a one architecture for all the seasons, and what kind of visibility and agilities customer get with this new solution. Right. So let's quickly jump into the customer introduction and understand about the customer. So this customer has a bold vision and innovative practices and re- relentless focus on delivering the customer value. This customer is Portuguese last private sector bank with 1,334 branches serving more than 6 million customers across the world. The key to its vision and success has been continued investment into the latest technology. Bank was among the first in its market to introduce ATMs and alternative payments methods, and one of the first to deploy the early online service like the transactional website and the online financial marketplace. As a financial institute, customer needed a way to deliver the innovative banking solution faster without sacrificing the security and the compliances. Bank have already invested into the DevOps to drive more agile development process, but realize its initial virtual machine cloud deployment was holded it back. The customer identified container technology as a more productive mean of accelerating the development while continue to meet it data localization, data residency, and security requirement. Then customer sought a cloud for solution for the cloud native implementation plus existing on-premise workload and the hope to develop a standard approach to deploy container to its hybrid environment. The bank have also had considered compliance consideration and that necessity maintaining a valid multi-cloud approach to ensure the disaster recovery and proper exit strategy. So customer was already having the DevOps, but this DevOps is more ever used for the virtual machine cloud deployment. So the solution they want to be a more productive, they want to be a more secure, they want to be a data to be in the region because of the data local policies, they want to be a data residency, they want the security requirements. That's the reason they were having the multi-cloud or hybrid cloud opportunity where they even don't want to be or stick with one cloud, they want to take the advantage of all the cloud. At the same time they want to have the exit plan as well, so that if in future they need to exit from the public cloud and move back to the on-premise, they would be able to do it. So they were using GitOps with the Flex. Customer devised a model to manage its entire container landscapes. The model move the management of application web cycles and the infrastructure components like data residency into the GitOps, which seamlessly automated the process. Customer use the Flex to assist with cluster multi-tenancy. With heavy multi-tenancy of on the 90% of its cluster, the bank aim to provide the auto- autonomy teams need while managing or maintaining the centralized control. With Flux, customer get the team to resource and permission they need so that they can focus solely on delivery. It's help it teams to move from deployment to production far faster. Architecture for all systems. So bank found a single pane of glass. It needed to manage in a hybrid multi-cloud environment with Azure Arc, which is used to conduct comprehensive cluster management and oversights. All its Kubernetes clusters spread across Europe and running in Azure, Google Cloud, and the on-premise are already enable the Azure Arc, which provides customer visibility for the better infrastructure management, resource delegations, and developments. Also, customer have founded a strong asset into the Azure Arc for meeting compliance requirement. The bank is meant to maintain the designated exit strategy for the financial workload it's running into the cloud, and Azure Arc help it to better manage and meet those requirements. Bank is using Azure Monitor for baseline configuration by pulling the logs, events, and metrics into the Azure Monitor to help ensure that cluster are running properly. It's using the Azure policies to enhance the security protocol. Customers security team now focus their time on defining and writing the security and compliance requirement rather than implementing or implementation and process management, knowing that Azure policy can handle the deployment. Now customer had a better visibility into their full architecture through Azure Arc. They has conducted policy process improvement that promote the agility of the multi-team. A foundational benefit customer has come to realize through Azure Arc, its ability to let the right people tackle the right task on the more efficiently. Enhance the visibility help ensure that the infrastructure problem are handled by the infrastructure team. Web cycle management team now work on the application lab cycle universally rather than having to address the application lab cycle separately for the on-premise resources, Azure, and the other cloud platform. This clarity bring both efficiency and the greater consistency. Increase visibility and control set customer up to move faster, innovate better, and create the better value for its customer. The bank can move the workload that might be thousands of miles apart almost instantly, and make other infrastructure decide quickly and easily to satisfy changings needed to compliance, proximity, cost, and reliability. Proximity, cost, and reliability. The kind of control and facility save the time and effort and also reduce cost. Customer now can now follow up their client requirement as they change and continue to deliver the consistently valuable solution. Well, that's it in this case study. I hope you like this case study. If you like, please click on like and subscribe for more upcoming case studies, and feel free to reach us if you have any questions. Thank you.